Get ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad that you have given me the opportunity of taking part in this function. I am particularly happy because you belonged to a community from which the country was able to derive great benefits in the past and from which it hopes to get more in the future. Para, any person who has had some association at any time with our independence movement must be aware that whenever the help of the business community was sought, they respond to the appeal liberally. I remember particularly the time when we were planning to organize a complete boycott of foreign cloth and also to bring about a closure of the cotton exchange. I have special knowledge of how the business community did all that it could for the success of that move and also of the independence movement. Similarly, on many other occasions, when an appeal was made to you for your help, your community helped not only by its valuable advice but also in other ways. Thus, your past contribution to the country is commendable, and I hope and trust that in future also you will not lag behind in any way. Para, you are all aware that this is a time of crisis not only for our country but for the whole world. The people are deeply worried due to the scarcity of food and cloth and high prices of other commodities. The government, I am afraid, would not be able to get over these difficulties by its own efforts alone. It is therefore the duty of every Indian to do what he can to help the government to tide over the crisis. It is my hope that all of you would give the country the benefit of your experience and would also do all that you can for helping the country at this time of difficulty. Para, I know that in certain matters the policy of the government does not correspond to your wishes. It is also possible that more differences may arise between the business community and the government. However, it will be accepted by all that the paramount objective before us is the survival of our country, our people, and our state. Keeping this high objective in view, it is the duty of everyone, notwithstanding the differences, to make his contribution to the service of the country, and I hope you will do so. Para, letter dated 10th April 2018 from Nathan and Brothers, Madurai, to Messrs. Brown and Brothers, Chennai. Dear sirs, Para, we have received your letter of the 5th instant. We hereby acknowledge the receipt of 5 consignments of goods sent by you by rail, and we are glad to note that the goods are of good quality, matching the samples shown to us. At the same time, we regret to inform you that one of these consignments had been damaged to such an extent that the goods had become useless and had to be thrown away as waste. We are sure that the cause for such damage lies with the rail authorities who have not handled the goods with care. Para, we enclose here with a copy of our complaint to the railway authorities. You may take up the matter at your end and pursue the claim for damages in transit. Kindly send replacements at an early date. Yours faithfully, Stop.